Hey, it's Mark Ferguson with Invest for More, and we're standing outside a property I bought a few months ago, and this used to be a church with an apartment upstairs, an apartment down here as well. And today we get to see that apartment down here for the very first time. And I have not been in there yet. I do not know what condition it's in, so it'll be interesting to see how it was left. I did see it when I first bought the property, and it wasn't the most amazing. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like now. Last video we showed you upstairs because it's vacant, and then we have a plan to convert this bottom space that used to be a church into 2 more apartments as well. So that should be exciting too, because we have a dumpster here full of carpet, and so we should be able to see a lot more of what those floors look like in there as well. This building is very old, and should be interesting to see what that looks like. Now, of course, check out investormore.com. Lots of free articles, blog articles, my free books on there. I have many other books on Amazon as well. And we love the likes, comments, shares. Keep those coming too. And yes, this little 2-bedroom house over here came with the property as well when we bought it. We bought the whole thing for $510,000 or $15,000, I believe. We were in northern Colorado. And really, if we get this place all fixed up and are able to have a 4-unit apartment here and a house next door to it, you know, it should be a $800,000-$900,000 property or more. So let's see what it looks like. We did unlock it, but that is it. That door is broken to start with. All right. No, we didn't even turn on lights or anything. Ooh, that is sticky. Okay. Don't work. All right, that's good to know. Interesting. And I do remember when I first came in here, this is the living room, right? This is all you've got. Here's your kitchen. And so there's not a lot of space here, but it has 2 bedrooms. It's really not in horrible condition. They cleaned everything out pretty good. So that's good to see. Let's see here. Light switch. Oh, over here. Okay, so here's 1 bedroom. See, before I shoot all my videos, I always try and open all the blinds and turn all the lights on. But if I'm looking at it for the first time, we can't always do that. Oh yeah, and a tree fell down. A completely dead tree. I don't remember seeing that tree before, but obviously it was here. Oh, missing a smoke alarm. Always make sure your rentals have those. Smoke alarms and a CO detector. Another one missing right there. Huge liability issues if you don't have those or check those. There's a little bit of an old roof leak. Okay, we had the roof checked out when we bought it, and they said it was in decent shape, but needed a few minor repairs, and I think we made those, so I wonder if that was one of those repairs. Here we have the 2 bedrooms. I wonder what's under this floor. Now I want to take this carpet out. And the other thing too is in the other space, we never did find a crawl space or anything. And you can feel it, especially here. I mean, it is definitely, there is something under the floor. We think, oh, a safe. Look at that. Probably locked with no combination and nothing in it, but a safe. Back this way, this goes to the shared laundry room. So we should be able to unlock that. And there you go. Oh, did he take? It didn't look like this last time we were in here. Oh, that's because he took the carpet out. But we didn't get the machines plugged back in? That's kind of weird. I feel like there were more machines in here before. I wonder if one of those was the tenants and he took it. But that's okay because we planned to change these to coin op. And now it's a perfect time because upstairs is vacant and now the apartment's vacant. Okay, interesting. All right, have a closet. Oh, we have more than a closet here. So that looks like the main water coming in, I think, and then going out to all the other units. And then we have a little water heater. Those look like gas pipes. Not much that way. Not much under there. Okay. That is definitely concrete slab there. But this, that's hard to tell. That could be slab, but some of the other spots definitely did not feel like concrete slab. So I think it's got to have some kind of a basement, something going on. All right, here's the bathroom, which was one of the spots that was a little worse for wear. It's actually very bright in here. And the tub isn't horrible, but the tile right here, you can see that, yeah, whole thing moves quite a bit. It's probably just full of mold back there behind that. Some of the tiles are broken, but really, it's not horrible. See what the panel looks like. It's okay. Okay. There we go. That's what this unit looks like. Now we have to figure out, okay, what all do we want to do here to change it, fix it up, make it better? We have so much room in the other side, but if we go completely changing floor plans and rearranging everything, that'll make it just that much more difficult to get things approved with the city and okayed for our plans on the other side. So, cool. All right, we'll take a look at the other side now and see what it looks like. And then here's the upstairs bedroom, apartment, where we took the carpet off here too. And yeah, that's the crazy attic I went in last time as well. Of course, we'll link to that video. You can see the layers of floor there, wow. And so, oh, there we can see. Bathroom floor looks like it was pretty soft there. That needs done. Of course, there's a little bit of mold. And then there's the beautiful tile that was underneath the carpet. And in here, we have different tiles and other tiles, all kinds of different tiles. Wow. And that's just no exciting hardwood under there at all. Okay. More tiles. Lots and lots and lots of tiles. Okay, so let's see what it looks like in here now, with all of the flooring gone, hopefully. There we go. Oh, the flooring is still on that part there. Okay. So most of the flooring is gone. We still haven't seen what that looks like. So you can see at some point they had carpets or something covering the middle part. This part was not as covered or more covered. Who knows? But it's all hardwood, and our hardwood guy is amazing. And even though it's kind of painted and ugly here, I don't see any real damage. He might be able to save most of this hardwood, which would be super cool. So our original idea was to make two-bedroom units in this space, have a bedroom there, a bedroom here with this window, another bedroom here, bedroom there, take out this middle wall, have a living room, kitchen for this unit, keep that kitchen for that unit, have a big living room here. Now, I had a crazy idea, which Nikki hated, which is, what if we took this bathroom and We made it the bathroom for the other unit we just saw next door, and give that place a real kitchen where the bathroom is in there now. So obviously that take a little bit of reconfiguring, but really not much. And then we just have to find a space for the bathroom in here, which we probably could do without too much difficulty, but we'd have to redo some of our floor plans. So all kinds of ideas and things that all go through my head. So our guy who's working on this is one of our new contractors. And actually, if you remember the flooring job that looked really horrible, one of our last flips, he went back, fixed it all, did it all the right way, and now he did this. So, and he just started yesterday or the day before, so he's got a lot done already, so that's a good sign. So, cool. All right, so that's the property. That's a look at the other apartment for the first time. Now we've got to kind of figure out our plan here going forward, and then hopefully we can start working soon. And then we do have to get everything approved by the city. So it's zoned commercial high density, I guess. I thought it was single family or multifamily, but this use is allowed. We can have multifamily here. So we just have to talk to them, give them our plan, and hopefully that's an easy process, but we need to get that plan first. All right, thanks for watching. Love the likes, shares, comments, seeing new subscribers, all that great stuff. I have lots of updates on this property and all our other properties as well here too. And of course, check out investormore.com for much more in-depth information on investing and doing what we do.